Hello dear students, how are you? I am once again before you from Jupiter School on your own Jupiter app, and we are again providing you the matter related to narration. This is continued, and I am telling our narration in volume second. This is continued. Okay, I have taught you the basic thing in the first volume, and now I am going on second volume. Okay, now you can see that there is a formula related to indirect speech. Here it has been written formula of making indirect speech. How to change direct speech into indirect speech. You can see that I have drawn a bed related to this indirect speech. How to change direct speech into indirect speech? I have made this picture showing the formula, and it may be called Virat's bed. Virat ka balla, Virat Kohli. You know, to make this thing easier to you, I have depicted, I have shown this formula through this Virat's bed. You can see there, here RV is there, CWPVT, RVCWPVT. The formula's name is RVCWPVT. You can see here also RVCWPVT, and it has shown through this bat. RV here, we hold the bat from here, यहाँ से हम पकड़ते हैं, and this is connected with this what CW handle and the remaining part of the bat, CW, RV, CW. Then comes P for pronoun, V for verb, T for time adverbials. You know, these five things are changed while direct speech into indirect speech. Here I have written this thing, while changing direct speech into indirect speech, these five changes take place. These five changes. Again you can see RVCWPVT. These five things take place when we are going to change direct speech into indirect speech. जब हम डायरेक्ट स्पीच से इनडायरेक्ट स्पीच पे बदलते हैं तो इन पांच चीजों में, पांच बिंदुओं में ये फाइव टॉपिक्स जो होते हैं दे आर चेंज्ड इफ नेसेसरी. आगे ये भी लिखा हुआ ब्रैकेट में, इट इज नॉट नेसेसरी, इफ दे आर नॉट नेसेसरी तो वी कैन चेंज देम अकॉर्डिंग टू रूल. We can talk about rules later on. First, here you can see that what they represent. RV represents reporting verb. RV is the short form of reporting verb here. CW connecting word. P denotes pronouns. V for verb. T for time adverbials. Once again you can see, you can understand these five things. One thing, RV means, RV denotes reporting verb, CW denotes connecting word, P denotes pronouns, V denotes verbs, and T denotes time adverbials. Here I have explained this thing through this example. For example, you can see this is written in green ink. Ankita said to me, I am at home now. It's a very simple sentence said by Ankita. Ankita said to me. Who said to whom? Ankita said to me. अंकिता ने मुझसे कहा आई एम एट होम नाउ, मैं अब घर पर हूँ. ये actual words are said by Ankita. This is known as direct speech. You can see that I have written this thing. This is direct speech, and we have to change this sentence. We have to change this direct speech into indirect speech. Then I will apply this formula here. This is very simple formula. I again repeat this formula RVCWPVT. Here we see that set 2 will be underlined. Set 2 is reporting verb here, and here both are separate sentence, or they can connect with CW, connecting word. Here connecting word will be used, will be applied. I is the pronoun here, am is verb here, and now is primary verb here. These 5 things have been underlined. ये underlined की हुई हैं, आप देख सकते हैं set 2, RV, CW, P, V and T. ये 5 things are there in direct speech, and they have been underlined in red mark. Set 2 reporting verb, CW here, CW will be applied, will be used here, and I is the pronoun, am is verb, and now it primary verb here. Okay. Now we change this direct speech into indirect speech by using this formula RVCWPVT. RVCWPVT, RV Ankita said to me, said to will be converted, will be changed into told according to rule. We shall discuss on this point later on. Okay. Ankita told me that both reporting speech and reported speech will be connected with that. That is connecting word here. Okay. Ankita told me that she was at home then. See, this I is the first person. First person changes according to subject. Ankita is female, and for Ankita we use she here. So I will convert into she, and am will convert into was. Am will convert into was. At home, no change, and now is the time adverb here. Time indicating word here, and now will be changed into then. So these 5 changes have been applied here. First, told. Second one, that. Third one, she. And fourth one is was, and fifth one is then here. Now the first direct speech has been changed into indirect speech. The indirect speech is Ankita told me that she was at home then. Ankita told me that she was at home then. It is indirect speech. I have changed direct speech into indirect speech by using this formula. This formula will be applied in all types of sentences later. Okay. Now we go on the point rules of changing direct speech into indirect speech. So there are some rules, we have to follow them, we have to learn them. The first rule comes in changing direct speech into indirect speech. डायरेक्ट से इनडायरेक्ट स्पीच में बदलने का जो फर्स्ट रूल है, दैट इज इफ द रिपोर्टिंग वर्ब इज इन प्रेजेंट टेंस और फ्यूचर टेंस, देयर इज नो चेंज इन द टेंस ऑफ रिपोर्टेड स्पीच. Once again you can see, if the reporting verb is in present tense or future tense, यदि reporting verb, where is the reporting verb? This set. This is called reporting verb. You can see here reporting verb. If the reporting verb is in present tense or future tense. There is no change in the tense of the reported speech. यदि रिपोर्टिंग वर्ब प्रेजेंट टेंस या फ्यूचर टेंस में है तो रिपोर्टिंग स्पीच के टेंस में कोई परिवर्तन नहीं होता है, स्पेशली इन द टेंस देयर विल बी नो एनी चेंज. ओके, अगेन यू कैन सी रिपोर्टिंग वर्ब हियर said to. Now in this case said to is in past tense. We'll talk about this thing later. When first here comes present tense or future tense. Here this is in past tense, and there will be some rules about past tense. We'll talk to it later. For example, Nikita says is in present tense. Raghav is an intelligent boy. Nikita says Raghav is an intelligent boy. This sentence is related to direct speech. सीधा सा फार्मूला है. डायरेक्ट स्पीच क्या है? डायरेक्ट स्पीच विल बी रिटन इन इन्वर्टेड कॉमास because the actual words of the speakers are quoted in inverted commas. You know this thing. And this indirect speech will be converted into indirect speech. Direct speech into indirect speech. Now you can see that here Nikita says that Raghav is an intelligent boy. Here there is no change. You can see because of this reporting verb. Says is reporting verb. This is in present tense. This is in present tense. Says will remain unchanged. Says will remain unchanged because there is no object. If there is object, we change it. Now Nikita says that both reporting speech and reported speech will be connected with connecting word that. In case of assertive sentence, Nikita says that Raghav is an intelligent boy. You can see that there is no change in tense in the indirect speech. Is here is also is because of reporting verb. Reporting verb की वजह से, because reporting verb is in present tense. Here you can see. I take another example in this regard. Nikita says to me. Said to me, जैसे said to me किया तो वहाँ told कर रखा है. यहाँ said to का जब object आ जाता है, then we change it into tells. Otherwise, we don't change it. Says का says रहता है. But in case there is object also, we change says to entails, say to entail, said to into told. Here Nikita tells me that, again that it is working just like connecting verb. It is a connecting word. CW. Here you can see RV. Again you can see this is RV. Here it is also RV. Here RV. CW. Here CW. P, there is no pronoun. Raghav is noun, not pronoun. Will is verb here. Then we can say that PV and there is no T. इसे वहाँ लिखा था कि यदि आवश्यक हो तो if necessary, if necessary. The five things जो है ना changes take place if necessary. यहाँ only one change है, that is in verb. Nikita said to me, Raghav will win the race. Raghav will win the race. In indirect speech, it can be written like this way. Nikita tells me that Raghav will win the race. Will जो है not be changed into would. Why? Because here says to is in present tense. If the reporting verb is in present tense, there will be no change in the tense of the reported speech. Okay, it is clear now. Next comes, अब ये हो गया क्लियर इसका. Nikita said to me Raghav will win the race. Nikita tells me that Raghav will win the race. This direct speech has been changed into indirect speech. Now again another example related to future tense. These are related to present tense. Says present tense. Says to present tense. Nikita will say Raghav is intelligent boy. This is the same quotation verb, same actual words. Nikita will say Raghav is intelligent boy. Nikita will say that only connecting word will be used here and there will be no change in H. Why? Because this reporting verb is in future tense. I have written this verb, this formula. If the reporting verb is in present tense or future tense, there is no change in the tense of reported speech. Again you can see Nikita will say Raghav is an intelligent boy. Nikita will say as it is that Raghav is an intelligent boy. This has been converted into indirect speech. This one is direct speech, and this one is in indirect speech. Now the point comes fourth. Nikita will say to me, Nikita मुझसे कहेगी, Raghav will win the race. Here the same example that is shown in the second sentence. The difference is only in the reporting verb. Here reporting verb is in present tense, and in third point and fourth point the reporting verb is in future tense. Will say. Now the indirect speech will be Nikita will say that Raghav is an intelligent boy. Now the last one. Nikita will say to me. Will say to me. Will say to will convert it into tell. You know, say to will convert into tell. Say to will convert into tells. Said to will convert into told. Will tell, will say to will convert into will tell. Nikita will tell me that both reporting speech and reported speech will be connected with the word that. That here connecting word. This one is connecting word. This is reporting verb. Reporting verb. Here reporting verb again. I am applying the formula in each sentence. Using this formula, I am changing direct speech into indirect speech. This formula is very useful in changing direct speech into indirect speech. Nikita will tell me that Raghav will win the race. Here will win. In indirect speech also there is no change in the tense. Will win here. In indirect speech it is will win here. Okay. The race. Now the indirect speech will be Nikita will tell me that Raghav will win the race. I mean to say that there is no change in the tense of the reported speech. Will remain unchanged. Only there will be change in the reporting verb. Will say to will convert into will tell. Okay, that I am again telling you that you have to learn this formula in very interesting way. Virat's bat and RBCWPBT. These words have been explained here. RB for reporting word, CW for connecting word, P for pronouns, V for verb, and T for time adverbials. And we shall discuss the next rule in the next volume. I will be once again before you carrying again the topic with new energy, and I hope that you will appreciate and you will like this video, this narration topic, and you will try your best, and I am also trying my best to provide you very interesting method and matter related to narration. Okay, stay home, stay safe, be happy. Bye.